Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have Bobster92 here.
Hello.
Also known as Bobby. And over on his channel, if you would like to check it out, we just unboxed our Twinsy luggage tags. So here they are. This is the large luggage tag. I have my initials on the front and Bobby has Vivian. Is it Vivian?
Yes, Vivian.
On the back. And then when we turn it over, I got Vivian and he has his initials.
So we flip-flopped.
We flip-flopped. So we were very fortunate to get these luggage tags. If you'd like to see that unboxing, just head on over to Bobby's channel. I'll have the link below. He is going to show us how to put on a luggage tag, and he's going to show us 2 different ways to do it.
Yes. Our demonstrations for this video are also our Twinsy bags, which is the Kusama Speedy 30.
And he's got it in yellow. I have it in white. If you're interested in Kusama, or the Louis Vuitton Kusama Speedies, I did do a video where I talked about my bag and I also talked about Kusama herself and how she came up with this pattern.
Yes.
Where, Bobby, I heard you say in another video, what was it? It was like, long story short, she hallucinates
long story
dots.
short, yeah, she hallucinates polka dots. Just to wrap it up in a few words.
Right.
Crazy Asian lady, she sees spots, she makes art. That's her life story.
And she is world famous for doing it.
Yeah, world famous.
So there you go.
I'll start off with my luggage tag.
So for Bobby,
What
the
you want to
Vivian
do
is the front.
Yes, the Vivian is on the front of mine, which is getting washed out. Once it's detached, you want to take this part, slip it through here all the way, so the buckle is on the back side. Once you have it looped through here, all the way, pulled to the back, you want to take the longer strip. You'll see a smaller little ring here. That's where you put you kind of slide this piece of leather through and pull it all the way to make it tight. Then you take your bag, loop with my lovely assistant's help, you loop the longer strip of leather through whatever side of the handle you want. And then just like a normal belt, you kind of loop this through the larger ring and put it on the setting you would like. I generally do the longest setting. And here you are. That's how it will sit on the bag. And that's what it looks like. That's one way that you can put on the luggage tag.
Option 1.
This one, the second way to do it, same way, you pull this through. However, the buckle will be on the front side this time. And again, like before, there's one smaller ring where you take the leather, guide it all the way through to make it tight. I'll do it on the other side here. And then again, just like a normal belt, you loop this through the larger ring. Put it on the setting you would like. Here are both ways that you can do the luggage tag. One with the buckle on the front and one with it on the back side. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. I'm not uploading a video every day for the year of 2019. This is not my 300th video. And this is not Joe Maurer signing out.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.